The present circumstances where the courts are being held, and that is not just in relation to the parish court for Manchester here, but also the circuit court, in these circumstances is absolutely ridiculous and shameful. We cannot continue to operate like this, and it creates an environment where there are safety concerns, security concerns, and it is something that I think is impatient of debate in terms of a relocation. We cannot continue to operate like this, and it may just be a matter of time before there is some kind of security breach where we recognize the importance of having an adequate space in terms of court hearings, and not just adequate space in terms of the infrastructure, but for counsel to be seated properly, for accused persons to have a proper place in terms of the dock, and for the judges to be comfortable. So, as I said before, this whole issue is impatient of any debate. We need to have this rectified, and rectified immediately. There have been many improvements in the justice system. Yes, there are improvements, but alongside that must be proper infrastructure to dispense justice.